Welcome to Auto Drive Review, your destination for the latest and most detailed looks at the finest vehicles on the road. Today we are diving into the pinnacle of luxury travel on wheels with the upcoming 2026 Van Hool Luxury Bus, a vehicle that redefines what it means to ride in comfort, style, and sheer engineering brilliance. As we step into the world of this top-tier coach, it becomes instantly clear that Van Hool has left no detail untouched in their pursuit of elite design and futuristic performance. From the moment it appears on the horizon, this bus commands attention with a presence that's nothing short of majestic. The 2026 model showcases a bold evolution in exterior design with flowing lines, a signature grille that subtly hints at its Belgian heritage, and full LED matrix lighting that not only looks stunning but also enhances road visibility and safety. The body structure blends aluminum with reinforced composite materials to keep the frame light yet incredibly strong, which also improves efficiency and long-term durability. This model stands taller and longer than its predecessors, giving it more aerodynamic surface while retaining its iconic upright Van Hool silhouette. And to match its luxury image, the exterior comes with an optional chrome finish and multiple color themes that can be customized for high-end tour operators or private clients. Rolling on 22.5-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin long-haul tires, the bus offers a ride quality that feels closer to a high-end SUV than a commercial vehicle. The dynamic contour of the windows not only improves aesthetics but also provides panoramic views for every passenger, making scenic routes even more enjoyable. This isn't just a transportation solution, it's a moving piece of architecture. The frameless side mirrors, embedded with radar and cameras, reduce drag while offering real-time feeds to the driver through the integrated cockpit system. Rear LED tail clusters flow seamlessly into the body, and automatic retractable steps emerge when the doors open, giving passengers a VIP welcome each time they board. The rear features active cooling vents and a centrally mounted camera for better parking precision. Even the branding is tastefully integrated into the body panels rather than raised, giving the entire structure a seamless, futuristic finish that reflects Van Hool's attention to every curve, edge, and panel line. On first glance, this luxury bus feels like something that belongs in a sci-fi film, but make no mistake, this is a machine built for the most discerning real-world travelers. Once inside the 2026 Van Hool luxury bus, the experience transforms from impressive to absolutely unforgettable. The cabin is meticulously crafted with premium European materials, including brushed aluminum trim, soft leather seating, and sustainable wood accents that give the space an upscale, lounge-like atmosphere. Each seat is a work of art in itself. Wide, power-adjustable, reclining with massage function, ambient lighting, and personal entertainment screens offering 4K resolution. With seating arrangements configurable from 32 to 44 depending on the client's needs, the focus is clearly on maximum passenger comfort rather than capacity. Noise insulation is world-class, with layered acoustic glass and sound-dampening materials in the flooring and panels, making conversations and relaxation effortless even at highway speeds. LED ceiling panels simulate skylight conditions during the day and shift to soft mood lighting after dark, creating a calming environment regardless of the hour. Passengers can also enjoy onboard Wi-Fi 6, wireless charging docks, and customizable climate zones that allow individuals to set their preferred temperature and airflow. The floor is heated, and some models even offer a mini lounge at the rear with couches, a digital fireplace, and a refrigerator unit for executive-level convenience. Overhead compartments are larger and sleeker than in previous models, with soft close mechanisms and LED indicators for available space. Up front, the cockpit features a completely digital instrument cluster with eye-assisted controls for route optimization, traffic avoidance, and safety warnings. The bus supports Level 3 autonomous driving in controlled environments such as highways, thanks to its radar lidar hybrid sensor suite. There's even a driver wellness monitor integrated into the seat to detect fatigue or distractions, sending alerts and activating safe mode protocols if needed. Optional features include a built-in kitchenette, restroom facilities with eco-water systems, and even modular private cabins in certain premium versions, ideal for overnight travel or VIP transport services. Every inch of this bus is tailored for those who demand the highest standards of quality and luxury. Under the hood, or more accurately beneath its sleek floor, the 2026 Van Hool luxury bus offers two distinct powertrain options, a cutting-edge hydrogen fuel cell drivetrain and a battery electric variant, both designed to provide long-range, low-emission travel. The hydrogen model features dual fuel cells working in parallel with a 400 kilowatts electric motor, delivering silent power and a range of up to 650 kilometers on a full hydrogen refill. The battery electric version uses a 700 kilowatt-hours solid-state battery pack, mounted low for stability, giving a range of about 500 kilometers per charge. Charging supports ultra-fast 350 kilowatts DC input, meaning drivers can top up the battery in under 90 minutes depending on conditions. Regenerative braking and smart energy management optimize every joule, while the intelligent suspension system adapts in real time to road conditions, load weight, and passenger movement, ensuring a smooth and safe ride. This bus is equipped with a full suite of ADAS features, including lane assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree obstacle detection, and automated emergency braking. Built with sustainability in mind, the van Hool uses recyclable materials wherever possible and includes solar panels on the roof to power non-drive systems like lighting and climate control. With dual motor configurations available in the electric variant, power delivery is both smooth and responsive, making acceleration surprisingly brisk for a vehicle of this size. Noise levels are nearly zero thanks to the electric drive, enhancing passenger comfort further. This model has also been designed for easier maintenance, with modular electronics, cloud-based diagnostics, and over-the-air firmware updates. Whether used for long-distance touring or executive charter services, it's clear this bus is built to stay future-ready for many years to come. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Van Hool luxury bus does not come cheap, and that's exactly the point. This is a premium machine for premium clients. The base price for the battery electric version starts at approximately $980,000, while the hydrogen fuel cell variant, due to its advanced tech and infrastructure needs, starts around $1.2 million. These prices may vary depending on configuration, features, and regional specifications. Optional add-ons such as private cabins, advanced entertainment systems, and executive lounge layouts can push the price even higher, sometimes exceeding $1.5 million for a fully loaded unit. But for companies or individuals looking to offer a travel experience unlike any other, the cost reflects a true investment in comfort, prestige, and sustainability. Thanks for joining us today on Auto Drive Review. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Van Hool luxury bus, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our reviews of the most exciting vehicles on the road and beyond. Until next time, keep driving forward in style.